Hello everybody, welcome back here, the eSight guy. Wanted to come by real quick and tell everyone, or show everyone really, how I make dinner using eSight 4. So I'm hungry. I'm going to be showing you how I make beefy mac. So we're going to do this for, it looks like, according to my instructions, let me do some zooming here. We're going to do this for, it looks like, microwave. Well, first we're going to vent the tray, so that's going to be just like this. So we take our knife and go just like that. I have to do a couple more passes. There we go. Give it a little bit more. And this says microwave for 1 minute, but I'm going to actually microwave it for 2. So we set this in here like so. And then we find our 2-minute mark, which is here. Dinner is cooking. And as you see, this is how I live. This is how I see to do things. For example, I can look over here and see if I needed to make a phone call to any of these phone numbers, that I needed assistance or whatever. I could look over at the refrigerator and see my magnet as well. But I can also focus on my kitchen here. So this is again how I see clearly using eSight. This is complete, ready in 60 seconds. Beefy mac. I'm able to read the nutrition facts clearly. If I needed some more zoom, I would just grab my eSight remote and zoom up. And this is how clearly I can see the nutrition facts of a box or anything like that. You know, if I wanted to, I could look down at the ingredients and read those. This is something that I could not do before, as you see. This gives you an idea of what I am fundraising for on my eSight 4 fundraiser, but just wanted to show you how I make dinner with eSight 4. So, looks like we're about, let me get some zoom going here. Are we froze? Maybe? Uh-oh. Are we still recording? Yes, we are. Sorry about that. Here is how I would zoom in to see that my food is almost finished. And here we are. Tells me my food is done. Pop open the microwave. Here it is. I grab this, carefully pull it out of the microwave. Let that stand. Close the microwave. Back up my zoom a little bit, and there you go. So that is how you make beefy mac, easy, quick meal. And this is how eSight 4 allows me to do such things, such as read instructions and ingredients on food items and so forth. Whoops, sorry about that. So I hope everyone enjoyed the video and continues to share and donate to my fundraiser as you are able. Thank you all so much for watching, and everyone have a great day.